Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to walk through how to install WhatsApp on your iPhone. Alright, let's get started. First things first, we need to open up the App Store. You'll find the icon on your home screen. Once the App Store is open, look down at the bottom right corner and tap the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass. Now tap on the search bar at the very top of the screen and type in WhatsApp, all one word. WhatsApp Messenger should pop up as the top result. Tap on it. You can scroll down to see more details about the app, but let's get to the installation. Scroll back up to the top, and you'll see a Get button. Tap it. Now mine shows a cloud icon because I've downloaded it before, but yours should say Get. Once WhatsApp is installed, tap Open. This will launch the app, and you'll see the welcome screen. Okay, tap Agree and continue to move forward. Now, enter your phone number. This is how WhatsApp identifies you. Tap Next. If you've used WhatsApp before, it'll try to restore your old data. If it's a fresh install, you'll need to go through the setup. After logging in and restoring your data, if you had any, you're all set to start using WhatsApp like you normally would. And that's it. You've successfully installed WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. This was just my personal experience, so yours might vary slightly. Links to relevant resources can be found in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.